Hi you guys, this video is for the Thrunite T2 flashlight. Comes in the standard typical box. And this light is the neutral white. They have cool white and neutral white, so this is for the neutral white. So let's see what's in the box in here. Gosh, everything is beeping and going off at the same time. This is the flashlight. Really super nice. It's got the orange peel reflector and the bulb is the XH-P70. Has your USB-C charging port right here. It's got the dual clip, and then it has your raised switch for turning the flashlight on and off and going through the different modes. And then back here on the tail cap, it's got an area for putting a wrist lanyard on it. So let's see what powers this flashlight. It's a 5,000 milliamp battery. Really nice fit. Threads are well machined. I really like their lights a lot, as you guys know by now. They make good quality lights. Let's look at it. It's got nice machining all the way down the whole entire body of the flashlight, and I like that a lot for grip. This flashlight is smaller than my hand. Feels really good in the hand. It's a little bit longer than my hand is wide. It's got a little bit of heft to it, but I like it, you guys. This is a super nice light. You long press for Firefly. There's Firefly. Very, very dim for just reading maps or a book at night. Low, medium, and high. Double click for turbo. Wow, I can feel the heat on my hand coming off from that. And then triple click for strobe. Personally, I have no need for strobe, but it's got a memory that it'll go back to high. So it automatically goes back to high, and I like that. It's got the indicator light on here. It will be red when it needs to be charged. It will flash when it's about ready to die, and it'll be blue when it's fully charged. So let's see what comes with this flashlight in the box. As always, you guys, the stats I'll put up on the screen. And with this flashlight, we have 6 settings. Turbo at 3,757, high at 1,712 lumens, medium at 366, low at 30 lumens, Firefly at 0.3, and strobe at 1,450. It is impact resistant to 1.5 meters and waterproof to 2 meters. You also get the USB-C charging cable, and I'll show you guys what the port looks like on here. There's USB-C port right there, and this cover goes down nice and flat. Keep it waterproof. In here you probably get the typical standard things that they send with their flashlights. You get the wrist lanyard that says Thrunite continuously down the wrist lanyard for putting that on the back of the flashlight. You get not one but 2 extra rubberized USB covers. And you get 2 extra O-rings for the flashlight. And last but not least, you get this nice holster, belt holster. Has it to where you can pass a belt through it. Also has a nice heavy duty D-ring to clip it. So there's everything that comes with the light. It's a very nice light, you guys. It'll stand on its tail. It'll also stand on its face. Really nice light. Nice and bright. It's a very handsome light. I like the look of this one a lot, the T2. And I love the look of the lens with this gray cap that goes around it right here too, just to offset everything from being black, matching the switch. Yeah, it's got a nice large bulb in there. Really nice bright flashlight. Really super nice. Good light to have in your bug out bag, your ECD bag. I'll leave all the links down below, you guys, for Thrunite, their YouTube channel, their website, as well as their Amazon link to where you can buy this very flashlight right here. And check them out, you guys. I think you'd like their products. They have a lot of different lights and headlamps and mini lights and stuff like that. They have very good products. You'd be very happy with it. And they're very quality lights, you guys. I've never had a problem with any of their products. Here's what the light looks like outside after dark. Okay, you guys. There's Firefly. Firefly is very dim. Very dim for just reading. Okay, guys, there's low. This is on low. Base of the pine tree right here. There's medium. Medium, you can see out in front of you a little bit. There's high. This is a perfect light for night hiking. Gives you plenty of light. Yeah, this light right here, you guys, is perfect for camping, fishing, night hiking. It's a good source of light. As soon as I round the corner down here, I'll take a right on this trail. One goes straight and this one goes to the right. I like this light a lot. It's another clear night. I haven't seen any more strange lights in the sky tonight. Now I'll double click this, and that's turbo. That's turbo. This is more of a floodlight than a concentrated beam. It just lights up the area all around. As you can see there, I'm shining it on the woods back here. Very, very bright. Very bright. Turbo, I guess, goes for a little over 3 minutes before it automatically kicks back down to high. It's got the blue indicator right there. And it's got the memory, so it goes back to where you last had it, which is pretty cool. We'll just cut up through the field up through here. Kind of a frosty night. Yes, this is an excellent flashlight, you guys. I like it a lot. Highly recommend this one. It's small in the hand. It's not overly big. It's not overly small, but it's compact. It's just right. It's a nice compact flashlight. It's got a nice girth to it. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but that's what makes it all the more quality. Really feels like it's a well-built flashlight. Wow. It's like when law enforcement comes around wanting to kick your door in. No, I don't know anything about that. So there you guys go. I love this light a lot. It comes in different colors too, so keep that in mind. Really cool. cool flashlight. So there you go. The Thrunite T2 flashlight. Awesome, awesome flashlight. Thanks for watching, you guys. We'll see you again in the next one. Bye-bye.